Liam Huddimer, and I'm from Bradford. I was in the access industry, operating cherry pickers and mutes. About 8 years, I'd say. To be honest, all I got on my job sheet was Maypole, Holywood, and I had no idea what it was. Drove to the given postcode, and it had sent me out on the back roads. It actually, the postcode was initially wrong, so I'd actually rang my brother, who'd had that job a week before, and I said, "Did you go to this Maypole? What is it?" He said, "It's an actual Maypole." He said, "You look for the Maypole pub, and it's next to it." It's actually quite a big deal. People were always asking questions as we were working on it, and he was actually repainting it the week before, and I was supposed to be going back to do the painting. But when I got there, they says, "Actually, we're going to be removing the Maypole because of the wind," and it took the top of the Maypole off and it crashed to the ground, so we're removing and making safe of the old Maypole initially. I just got told, "We'll give you a ring when we're going to reinstall it." The morning of installation, I turned up maybe a good hour before we were due to start, and I think the Maypole was there waiting on a truck ready to be installed, and I turned up, the crane turned up, traffic management had already been blocked off that road, but it also had to be man managed as well because of where the Maypole sits, how it sits in that junction. Live traffic was still going past, and we took a lane out, and then we all just sat waiting for the crane to set up itself. It was quite an easy process actually. We just hooked it up, slotted it down into where it was held, and then literally just unwrapped it. Site manager, 3 crane lads. I think there were around 10 people on site that day possibly. It wasn't something that was unusual initially when you think about it. The thing that made this job unusual was actually the community and how excited they were to see it going back in. When we previously took it down, I'd learned a lot more about what the Maypole meant to people in Holywood. So I joined like the Hollywood groups, and then obviously when we were installing it and there was crowds gathering, there was photographers turning up, everyone had their phones out, and I said the community made it more of like an intriguing job than the actual Maypole itself. Installation of a Maypole is actually quite easy, but it was just the attention it attracted from the community. More people seem to appreciate the Maypole than a comms tower going in. But yeah, the Maypole was like a welcome breath of fresh air to see. You putting something that everyone wanted back. They were all looking forward to May Day, and happy it was there.